Building internet tools used to be the project nobody wanted. It was the maintain it over trap. But in 2025, the low code landscape has shifted, and one name keeps coming up for developers: Appsmith. It's open source, it's developer first, and it promises to let you build admin panels, dashboards, and workflows 10 times faster. But with competitors like Retool and Tooljet fighting for the top spot, is Appsmith still the king of open source low code in 2025? I'm Zain, and today we're doing a deep dive into Appsmith 2025 updates, the new pricing, and the one massive feature that they just dropped that changes everything. Let's get into it. What is Appsmith? First, for the uninitiated, Appsmith is not a no code tool like Bubble. It is a low code platform built specifically for developers. You drag and drop user interface components, tables, charts, forms, but the magic happens in the logic. You connect these directly to the database or any API. You write JavaScript almost anywhere. If you want to transform data, validate a form, or trigger an API, you just write standard JS. You are not fighting a proprietary visual logic builder. You're just writing code, but with a massive head start on the user interface. What is new? So, what's changed in this year? Appsmith has pushed three major updates for 2025. Number one, Appsmith Workflows. Now, GA, this is the big one. Appsmith Workflows, side workflows that combine code based logic with code. Think cron jobs or webhooks that run independently of the user interface. It bridges the gap between a front-end builder and the back-end automation tools like N8N. Appsmith AI. They have gone all in on AI. You can now use the AI copilot to generate complex SQL queries or JavaScript functions instantly. Plus, you can embed AI actions directly into your apps to let users chat with your internal data. The IDE overhaul. They have improved the developer experience with a new split mode in the IDE. You can see your user interface and your query logic side by side. No more tab switching fatigue. Pricing and the open source factor. Let's talk about money. This is where Appsmith usually wins against Retool. In 2025, they have simplified their pricing to be much more predictable. The key takeaway here is the per user model. They removed the confusing distinction between creators and users that plagued the industry last year. It's just $15 ahead for the business features. The verdict, pros and cons. Now, the pros: true open source, no vendor lock in. If they change their pricing tomorrow, you can still run your self hosted instance forever. If you know JavaScript, you can build basically anything. Workflows: the new user side capability makes it a complete back end plus 4 end solution. The cons: mobile responsiveness. It's still okay, not great. They pause development on their native mobile builder, Anvil, to focus on AI. So if you need a perfect native mobile app for field workers, Retool might still have the edge there. Learning curve. If you do not know SQL or JavaScript, this tool isn't for you. It is low code, not no code. Final verdict. So, if you are a dev team that wants to build secure internal tools without a massive bill, Appsmith is the best choice in 2025. And that's all for today's review. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.